In this tutorial, we'll build a translation app that translates the user's text input from one language to another. We'll start by designing the app's user interface. There are already a few identifier labels, but we'll add some additional UI components to build out the app's functionality. Drag and drop a text input onto the screen. The app's users will use this field to input the word or phrase they want to be translated. Provide the user with a hint. Let's add a button that users can click to translate the text they've entered. We'll customize a few properties to match our brand preferences. And we'll add a label component that will populate with the translation. Click Blocks in the upper left or press the T key on your keyboard to access your Blocks tab. Click the button name in the component tree and drag and drop the When Button Click block into the workspace. Now we'll populate the English text label with the translation. Click the name of the label in the component tree, drag the Set Labels text to block, and nest it within the button click block. Under App Features, click Speech. Drag the translation of block and connect it to the Set Label English Text's text to block. The text that we want to translate is what the user input. The default settings for the translation block are English to Spanish, so we'll use the drop-down menus to define our preferred languages. Let's test it. Click the web preview icon or press the P key on your keyboard. We'll enter a word in Spanish and click the Translate button. Great! We built a translation app that translates the user's text input from one language to another. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other tutorials and Thunkable Academy courses. And remember, innovation should have no limits.